Oh, we got a real low life here, and no, stop it. I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about this truck. It's a 1987 Chevy C10. Got the top of the line high end air ride system. It's more than just an air ride system, it's a reconfigured, reconstructed chassis to slam this thing to the ground. I love the colors, and guess what? There's an LS3 underneath the hood of this one. Go to volocars.com. You'll find over 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with 80 photos, full descriptions, financing, contacts for the salesman who'll help answer your questions. It's all at volocars.com. You can scan the QR code at any time. It'll bring you directly to this truck, or look for the link in the description. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, isn't this a good looking truck? I really like the colors. Nice square body. These are very popular trucks now. Straight, clean, big, flat hood, looking real nice. Lines up, fits nice and square. Fenders all nice and clean, looking good. All the way down to the bottom here, the rockers are clean. The roof is nice and straight and clean. All this is good. Doors fit very nicely. Jambs look very nice. Shuts nice and solid. So the whole box is in real nice shape. They filled in the holes on top where the stakes were, the holes for putting the stakes in. And it's showing a little bit if you look for it. Tailgate's all real nice and clean metal. The fuel door was filled too. I think that would have been on this side. It's relocated. But all the way down here to the very bottom, all nice, clean, solid truck. The pinch welds along the bottom are all looking good. The rockers are clean. This door opens very easily. So the body's looking very nice. Painted in this beautiful metallic blue. The metallic has a nice shimmer to it when you see it in person. It's laid out evenly, polished to a nice smooth gloss. There's a little nick, so it's not a perfect paint job, but it presents very well. Here's a little chip on the edge of the hood. Now I really like the satin gray or matte finish gray stripe or sides, whatever you want to call it. I think that really just looks classy, looks different, unique against the blue. And then it is outlined in some pinstripe. Yeah, this is a Billet custom-made emblem. It says Low Life 10 instead of the C10 emblem. The windshield looks to be very nice and clear. The rubber gasket's very good. The mirrors look like they've been replaced. Door handles look good, original. The moldings on the sides look like they've been replaced. The wheel well trim looks real nice and shiny. I like the wheels. They're 22-inch US mags, and I like the matte gray. Actually, it's a little bit of a glossier gray, but it's the same color as the side of the truck. I think they picked the wheels perfectly. I got some, they call them rubber bands. They got really thin profile tires on the 22-inch wheels. The trim back here looks good. The bumper is re-chromed, so that's all looking nice. Good looking truck. The grill, the front bumper, all that's very nice as well. We're going to open it up, show you a nice interior, and you're going to really love the engine. All right. Tailgate opens. It's on some gas struts, so it opens nice and smooth and has cables. I can't open it in here. I don't think we have enough room. And you can see how high the bed floor was lifted. That's so you can slam the truck to the ground. Unfortunately, if you're going to hire or haul some mulch, I don't think you can haul as much as you normally would. But anyway, it's all sprayed in a bed liner, color matched to the truck. Here's where the gas is relocated to. So you can still throw some stuff in there. Not going to hurt anything. Some lawn chairs or a cooler. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon when you do, and you'll be notified when new videos are posted. So jambs are painted nicely. They look good. Weather strip is replaced. The door panels look good. Some of it's new, some's original. They've added the plaid inserts. I like that a lot. That really turned me on when I seen the truck. It's got power windows and power locks. Does have some updated custom gauges. There's about 2,200 miles on the truck since it's been done. Tachometer. Upgraded with electric slide AC controls from Vintage Air instead of pushing the old cables. It has a Bluetooth Alpine stereo system. Yeah, this closes up out of the way, but there's your controls. You can have some presets for the air ride. Here's your back, here's your front. So that's cleverly designed there. Look at the kick panel speakers that were made. Carpet was replaced. This is a new custom seat, so it's all nice, firm, plump. Has the plaid inserts. We got shoulder belts on each side. A big subwoofer box. I kind of guessed we would find that. Then the cloth headliner looks as if that's been replaced. A little microphone, so it must be a hands-free talking through your phone on the radio. Visors look good. And then we have a tilt column there. Yeah, that's a tilt with a deluxe steering wheel, so that's looking good. So you got a very nice interior. Some nice upgrades. Overall, this truck has a look. I remember the first time I seen it, it's just like, I like that. Now here's what you typically wouldn't expect, an LS3. A lot of times they put like a 5.3 in these, but this is a 495 horsepower, 6.2 liter, stage 2 hot cam, ported heads, Holley Sniper intake, stainless headers, dressed up real nice with some Chevrolet script covers, making it look like some valve covers. Painted, on top pinstripe. The wires are run neatly. Look at the firewall's been all smoothed out real nice. It has slosh tubs inner fenders, so you can really drop the car down on them. It has these gas struts to open the hood. Look at the AC lines, how nicely they're run. Then the front of the engine is a complete serpentine system with a mini compressor. Nice custom cold air intake tube. Look, it has a hard hose for the radiator. It's an aluminum radiator, the custom shroud, 2 electric fans, power steering, Willwood master cylinder on the power brakes, and maybe you can take a peek at the suspension. It's a GSI suspension. There's pictures on our website as well. We'll talk about that in a couple minutes, but first Michael is going to take you for a ride. We'll see you in a little bit.
All right, everybody, really cool frame off custom build here, an 87 C10 sitting on airbags. This thing will slam all the way down to the ground when you park if you want. Right now we have it adjusted kind of at its maximum, or near it, excuse me. And yeah, I'm really impressed with the way that it's handling all the bumps and everything like that. Not super bouncy at all, which is kind of stereotypical of the air ride suspension, but this one seems to work really nicely. Very impressive. Another thing that's impressive is the engine. Got a 6.2 liter LS3 making 495 horsepower. That should get you going down the road with no problems. Also I think it's a 6L80E. So I'm not sure about what type it is, but it's definitely an automatic overdrive transmission. So do some cruising on this one. Have some fun. Take it out on the highways. Take a long way to the cruise nights. Tilt column, power windows, power door locks. Really nice bench seat here too. It's kind of got more support on the sides here and then on the bottom as well. Keep you nestled in place real nice. Well, let's see what she's got. All right, guys. And just like that, up to speed with absolutely no problem. She's a performer, not just for show. This one's got the go with it as well. And then you got the turnkey reliability of a fuel injection system on top of that. I mean, what a great fun truck, something really different, that's done super nice and just does everything you want it to. See how she goes down the road here. Pretty good alignment all in all. Maybe just a little left, but I didn't set it up either, so. But just great, fantastic custom gauges, everything about it I really like. Come down and test drive it for yourself. We'll put it up on a lift for you if you want. You can hire a third-party inspector, whatever the case is. Spend as much time with it as you'd like. And maybe just start off by checking out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
So there's so much going on underneath, I'm going to cheat and refer to my notes. Again, this isn't your typical air ride. If you want this thing sitting on the ground, it took a lot of extra work. This is a GSI system. Up front's a complete cross member with heavy-duty components, reconfigured geometry to center the wheel in the wheel well to allow driving it while it's lowered. It includes an upgraded rack and pinion steering. In back, it's back half reconstructed, so the back section of the frame's been cut off and completely remade, notched out, so again, you can drop it down real far. It has an inboard 4-link system, so that means it's all moved inward, probably for the wide wheels. Lost my place here. It also includes a Billet Watt link system that's got shocks all the way around, Firestone F9000 airbags. It has a Willwood big brake kit. You can see red calipers, 6-piston in front, 4-piston in back. I'm pretty certain, yeah, those look like 6-piston. So disc brakes at all 4 wheels, drilled and slotted. Custom exhaust with X-pipes, stainless mufflers, relocated fuel tank. It's stainless steel, protected with a steel frame structure. There's 2 batteries. They're both located under the back of the truck there. They're both Optimas. Looking up at the motor, it's clean. It's a high torque starter. It's upgraded with a 6L80 overdrive automatic with a 3600 stall converter. Floors are solid, still wearing their original factory paint. So they started with a clean truck to begin with. So yeah, this thing's just got the look. This is just a cool truck. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman, hit the buy it now button while you're doing your due diligence. Thanks for watching.